Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix drop down arrow icon delay on page load in Elementor menu by using alternative method in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor menu and then you see arrow. Now refresh the page and then on page load you see menu shift. So we are going to use alternative method for drop down menu in Elementor. First we are going to hide sub menu indicator. Now go to header section and then click on menu. On left side you see sub menu indicator none and then click on update. Now update done. Go to website page again and refresh the page. Now you see sub menu indicator hide and also you see menu shift. On page load again refresh the page. Again you see menu shift, so we are going to fix it first. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. So by using this CSS we are going to fix menu shift because we hide sub menu indicator. So click on publish. Now publish done. Also you see display none. Now go to website page. So we hide sub menu indicator. Now refresh the page. Again refresh the page. Now you don't see any menu shift. So we have drop down menu. Now you see. So now we are going to add drop down arrow icon using plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP menu icons. So we are going to install WP menu icon. So this is plugin we will use WP menu icon. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and we are going to assign drop down icon for sub menu. On left side you see appearance and then you see menu. So click on it. Now menu open and scroll down. So this is our main header menu and then you see home. Also you see plus icon. So click on it and then you see WP menu icon open. So you can add icon according to your requirement. Now find a drop down arrow. So we are going to use this icon. Now select and then you see hide label no, position select after, vertical align middle, size 1.3. So you can set size for icon according to your requirement for your menu and then set color scheme black and then click on save. So we added drop down icon by using plugin. So we have product, also category. Again click on plus icon, select position after, vertical align middle 1.3 and then scroll down, set color scheme black, save. Also you see category. So click on plus icon again, select position after, vertical align middle 1.3 em and then color scheme black. Click on save and then click on save menu. Now menu has been updated. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see menu. Again refresh the page. You see drop down arrow icon. So we added drop down icon for sub menu. Now refresh the page and you don't see any menu shift. We are using drop down icon from plugin. Again refresh the page. You don't see any menu shift. So when we hover on menu, now you see menu text color change on hover. You see green color, but you don't see our color change on drop down arrow icon. So we are going to fix it by using custom CSS. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste. Now you see navigation UL LI colon hover and then you see A and then you see class dot dash icon hyphen arrow hyphen down. So you can add your class or ID. Now go to website again, right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see icon style and then you see class dash icon hyphen arrow hyphen down. So we are using this class in custom CSS. Back to custom CSS and then you see color. So you can set color scheme according to your requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. So again hover on sub menu. Now you see sub menu text color also change on hover. Also you see drop down arrow color also change on hover. Now open any. So we open home page and then you see active color home, but you don't see active color on drop down arrow icon. So we are going to add custom CSS for this. Now back to custom CSS, we are in additional CSS. Now paste, and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. And then you see Elementor item active, and then you see again we are using class dash icon hyphen arrow hyphen down. So you can add class or ID according to your requirement for your drop down icon. And then you see color scheme, so click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see active color on home, also on text, and also you see on drop down icon. When you hover on it, also drop down icon color change. Now back to customize section. So this CSS for hover color scheme, this CSS for active color, and this CSS for hide sub-menu indicator section. So this is our alternative method. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.